All right, girls, come on. We're gonna make poppy seed chicken for dinner tonight. Dacie, can you get the butter in the dish?
Mm-hmm.
And Carlie, can you crunch up all the crackers?
So you do this other one, Dace?
Sure.
Once you shred it, put it in that bowl, okay? Good job, girls.
Mama, could you open mine?
Wait, it needs to be crunched up some more. Do it with your knuckles.
Okay, Dacie, I think that's good. Now dump them in the bowl.
Oh?
All of them. Dacie, can you measure out 2 tablespoons? Can you put about half of that in here?
What do I use?
This?
Half?
Not all of it, just half.
This good?
That's good, Carlie. Can I use that?
Yes, ma'am.
The oven's set, right?
Yes, it is. Perfect. All right, 30 minutes.